What's up, Triple J family? Bam! What's up, guys? Once again, it is your girl Jane, and I am back with another review video. Okay, guys, today I will be doing a review on the new Canadian Dry Ginger Ale with Lemonade. Y'all see that? See, it's new. Yeah. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but I love me some ginger ale. If I had to drink a pop, it would have to be a clear pop plus ginger ale, 7-Up, Sprite, all up right there with me. Ginger ale is like when I got an upset stomach or I'm not feeling well or something like that. But anyway, guys, before I get into this video, if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Triple J family. Yes, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, don't cost you a thing. Hit that subscribe button, become a part of the family. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a review on this / no burpee. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to drink this whole thing. Y'all, I did this with my, what was that? What pop was that came out? I think the vanilla Coke. Okay, that came out. Yeah, but I'm gonna do this like with a little twist. The ginger ale lemonade / no burping challenge. So guys, let's get into this video. Let's get started. Ooh, you can smell the lemonade coming up out of there and the ginger ale. It ain't bad, but you taste mostly lemonade. You know how if you drink a ginger ale pop before, you know how a ginger ale pop tastes, like that little lemony taste to it. I mean, I think it had that lemony taste anyway. Well, I could take the ginger ale. I taste mostly lemonade. Yeah, mostly lemonade. Yeah, would I buy this again? No. I ain't gonna even lie. I would stick with the regular ginger ale because I usually drink it like if I have an upset stomach or if the girl's not feeling well, I would give it to them. You know, with their medicine or something. I don't know. This is something about ginger ale to me. It helps with your stomach, like with Alka-Seltzers, all that stuff. Yeah, and sometimes without using medication, I would drink a ginger ale. It would calm my stomach down. But would I buy this with the lemonade in it again? No, I wouldn't do that. I would buy regular ginger ale though. Yeah. So let's go ahead and see if I can finish this ginger ale without burping. Ooh. The acid up in here. Halfway there, y'all. I feel it already. That's just me. I don't care what I drink. It was the pop. That's why I really don't drink a lot of pop. I drink water. I'm gonna burp. After I eat my food, I'm gonna burp. There's just something about it. I'm trying to hold it though, guys. I think I got this one though. I think I got it. 'Cause last time I think I got all the way down there. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Woo. Woo. Ooh, I did it. Ooh. Yeah. There it is, y'all. Ooh, I had a little bit up in that. Dang it. Ooh. My stomach is on swole right now. Ooh. Whoa, y'all, I almost did it. Look at that. I ain't even see that little bit. I'm trying to hurry up, just not even think about it. Ooh-wee. Now my stomach hurt. Ooh-wee, y'all. Ooh, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Y'all go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the Triple J family. Sorry, y'all. Go ahead, guys. I'm waiting. Until next time, holla at your girl. Peace. Ooh, the girl in the praying. I got to burp. And I got to pee.